mo at si Helen best friend ni Dulce na mami mo. Pala, ako kadugo, ikaw hindi, pero pinili ka nila i-love. Ibig sabihin ba na wala silang choice but to love me? Nyek. Seriously, they love you dearly, and now I know why. Because I have never appreciated you more, admired you more, respected you more, and yes, loved you more than I do now. Thank you, dearest Pops, Lollipop, Pop, Shelito. Ano ba? Birthday
Sorry,
ko ba?
nakipunit ako sa notebook ng ate ko.
Ano ba?
Tumahimik ka dyan, show ko to.
Sige.
Okay, sana ba? Ayan. Ayan.
For being here tonight, I am not only thrilled to be performing with you on the same stage tonight, I am underlined, honored. You are, underlined in capital letters, the one and only concert queen. And I only hope that in my own little way, I've managed to treat you like royalty, which you undoubtedly are in the music industry. I look forward to spending time with you outside of work, shopping with you, exchanging secrets and cuento, and nurturing and caring for the seeds of friendship that were sowed many years ago between us. It is time. I believe in my heart that God has willed it to be. Thank you again, my dearest inspiration. You give me encouragement to lose my extra weight and get back to fighting form just by standing in front of me. Si Lord talaga, magwa one-on-one kami ni Lord pag namatay na ako. Sabi ko, bakit kada linya, ako hindi. My very special guest, my concert queen, most importantly, my friend. Here is to the beginning of a real friendship between two little girls, all grown up now. Like many in your kingdom, we love you, concert queen. May God give you all the desires of your heart, which you truly and richly deserve. I love you, always shall.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan, kasi pinili mo lahat ng painful na kanta. Bahala ka sa buhay mo dyan.
I have to say this. You know me, I'm a woman of very few words.
Oh, yes.
Whatever
But
comes
we know na
from
your
my
story.
mouth comes from my heart. And truly, I have never been, I think, so respected and so honored like tonight. And it came from you. Really, it's true.
Sweetheart, you are an icon. What are you talking about?
Alam niyo yun, no, it's different. It's different when people give you the label, but it's also different and it means so much more when it is a co-singer and a co-artist who actually gives you such great words. And I feel so little, literally and
Yes, that's true. You're lit. Oh, humanda